Hi, and today we're going to look at some very small, brief basics of Geogebra. You should already have gotten your account. So once you log in, you should get to a screen that looks like this one. From here, now if you're not here, it doesn't matter. It's going to look similar to this. But what I do know is in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to have your waffle. So choose your waffle. Today, I'm going to be giving you some basics in the geometry. So choose geometry. All right, so this is the basic screen. We will be using GeoGebra to do transformations. And we will do our transformations in the coordinate plane. So for what I'm going to teach you today, we need a coordinate plane. So that's the first thing I'll teach you to do, and that's how to turn that on. Go to the settings here. First, let's show the axes. That gives me my X and my Y axes. But wait a minute, I really need grid lines. Go back to settings, show grid lines. We want the major ones. Over here on the left side are the basic tools. The first tool that's very important, and that's the arrow tool or the move tool. This is also the button that you use to turn off some other tool that you've turned on. The thing about GeoGebra is for a tool to stop working, you have to turn it off or switch it to another tool. We're going to start with a point. Basic thing here, I'm going to just put some points here. I'm going to put them at what we call lattice points. Lattice points are the major intersections here, and generally speaking, they are integers. These lattice points occur at integer coordinates. So here I'm just going to put a couple of points out here. Now I want to show you how to make the label on your point show. I have to turn the point off the way I just showed you, and I'm going to come here and just press that. And then I get a pull down menu here. I can change the color of my point. I can change the size of my point. I can make it an open point. Instead of a point, I might want it to be a triangle or something like that's fine. But this is what's really important. On the label, we want to show the label. That is, we want to show that it says A, and we also want to show the value. And in the case of a point, its value is its ordered pair. So now I'm just going to go to each of these. Right now, I'm not worried about changing the color, but I do want to show the label. Whoops. All right, so let's move this up here. Uh-oh, can't see through that. Let's move that. Show value. There we go. Move that silly picture out of the way. All right. So I've showed you the axis, the grid, and a point, and the label. Now I want to show you how I can group these 3 points together. Now, if I want to move this point, I just grab it and move it. But what if I wanted to move all 3 of them together? Come over here to your tools and choose More. And right under this, it says Edit, and it says Select Objects. So we choose that, and then I just get all of those things together. Now I'm going to turn this off by the move, grab one of these, and look at that, I can move it around. To turn this off, go to Move and double click it and redefine. Okay, we're good there. Moving right along. You'll notice you also can make segments like this. You can make line segments like that, all in your toolbar. Circles. You click, and that's going to be your origin or your center. And polygon. So we can make a polygon and anything we want. Make them odd shaped or not. And there we go. So that's a polygon. Now there's one other tool I want to show you before I close up now, and that's the regular polygon. To get that, we're going to go all the way down here, regular like that. Click here to here. Tell it I want to make a polygon with 5 regular sides. Say OK. And whoops, turn this off. And you'll see I have a regular 5-sided pentagon. Hope this is helpful. Have a great day.